So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable the roaming clock on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to navigate to the Settings app, and then from here, you're going to scroll and select the option Lock Screen and AOD. Once you've done that, you're then going to look for roaming clock and just select it. And then from here, you should see a toggle at the top. Now you can use this toggle to turn off or to turn on the roaming clock. You can also go a step further by changing the region and, if applicable, the time zone as well of your roaming clock. So to do that, you have to first ensure that the roaming clock is enabled, and then you're going to tap on region. From here, you can now scroll through the list of available regions, or you can just use the search function to find the region that you want to use. Once you found it, just select it, and that will now be your new region for the roaming clock. If you want to, if you're choosing a region that has multiple time zones, say for example Brazil, then you will be prompted to choose a time zone as well, so that you can confirm what exactly it is that you want. If you want to change the time zone from what you've chosen to something else, you still have to go back and ensure that you've chosen the exact same region so that you can be able to change the time zone to something different. And so that's how you can enable or disable the roaming clock on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.